Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Erica from The In-Between, and today I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Prosper Trading Academy by Scott Bauer. Now you might have seen Scott's ads or heard about his courses before, given that this trading options course promises big returns. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the course, like what Prosper Trading Academy offers, its pricing, and also its online rep. I'll also share whether or not the trading biz model still holds up in 2025, or if there's a much better, more reliable way to make money online. And just a quick disclaimer, guys, I'm not affiliated with Scott Bauer or his Prosper Trading Academy in any way. My review is all based on my own research and experience with his program. Now, with that being said, let's jump right in. So what's Prosper Trading Academy all about? It's an online platform that teaches people how to trade, mainly focusing on options. It was created by Scott Bauer, an options trader with over 25 years of experience in the financial industry. He started his career back in 1991 at the Chicago Board Options Exchange, where he became the only professional trader handling Amazon options. He later worked as vice president of equities at places like Goldman Sachs and has been featured on publications like CNBC, Bloomberg, and even Fox Business as a trading expert. Now, when it comes to what's inside the training, Prosper Trading Academy gives its members access to live trading rooms, recorded lessons, and a lot of tools to help them understand the market more deeply. Most of the training is very focused on options training, like I said, but they also have more lessons on penny stocks and momentum stocks. The courses seem to be mainly for beginners with promises that they can learn and earn at the same time. The program also includes a lot of extras like webinars, ebooks, and real-time trading signals. Now, these signals are supposed to help traders make decisions during live market sessions by telling them when to buy or sell. However, how useful these tools actually are really depends on how much time and money a person is willing to invest. Some programs focus on short-term trading strategies, while others really emphasize market analysis and signal-based training, which requires a lot more risk tolerance. Now, when it comes to the course's online reputation, Prosper Trading Academy has a decent online presence with over 41,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel, and looking on their Instagram page, they have about 10,000 followers. However, when it comes to their reputation elsewhere, things are a little bit mid. On Trustpilot, they do have a 4.4-star rating, but many reviews can be negative as well. A lot of students talk about being pressured into expensive upsells and programs and not really getting what they were promised by coaches at the beginning. One reviewer even said that they lost over $10,000 following trading signals that didn't really work, and even called the program a complete waste of their money. Over on the BBB, the complaints are very similar. One student said that they bought the program but couldn't use it because of their work schedule and were even promised their loan payments would show up on their credit report, but it never happened. So when they asked for their refund, they were blamed entirely for not putting enough effort into the program. Moving on to pricing, when it comes to their flagship course, the Options Volatility Crash Course, it costs about $500, but if you want access to their live trading rooms or more advanced programs like their Penny Stocks Mastery Program or Momentum Stocks Live Signal Room, then you're looking at almost $5,000 each. On top of that, they do offer a trade alert service for $3,997 a year and other tools that can quickly add up. Now, keep in mind, guys, that these fees don't really include all of the money that you actually need to trade, like paying for trading tools, software, and having enough capital to make trades themselves. So for beginners, the investment can feel overwhelming, and many students say that they didn't get enough value for what they paid for. The high prices, combined with all of the upsells and investments, really make this for a risky commitment that isn't guaranteed to pay off. And speaking of all of the downfalls, guys, trading usually requires a lot of constant attention, quick decisions, and the ability to handle the stress. The markets are also very volatile and unpredictable, and even experienced traders themselves face big losses all the time. And trading signals like the ones offered by this program aren't always reliable. So when you're relying on these signals without fully understanding the market, it can definitely lead to bad decisions and missed opportunities. But if you're serious about making money online without all the stress of dealing with risky trades or constant market monitoring, then the digital rental method is definitely the way to go. It's a much more stable and beginner-friendly business model that allows you to create consistent passive income by building digital assets, aka simple websites that work for you long after they're set up. With the digital rental method, you create simple websites that target specific service niches like fencing repair or towing all over the country and get them to rank on Google. Once your site starts generating leads, local businesses around the US pay you for those leads every single month in what's called a finder's fee, and the whole thing is very predictable, scalable, and doesn't involve the ups and downs of day trading. Take this fencing repair site in Colorado Springs, for example. I built it a little over 2 years ago, and it still continues to pay me month after month. Once the site was set up and started ranking, I didn't have to do much else. Now, if you guys have been following me on my blog for a long time, you'll know that this is truly one of the easiest ways to make passive income online. What's also great about the digital rental method is that it's very low risk and highly scalable. There are millions of small businesses out there that need help getting noticed online, and you can tap into almost any niche in any city across the US. Unlike day trading, where you're always tied to the market and risking money, the digital rental method lets you build something that actually lasts and pays off over time. All right, guys, that's it for my review of the Prosper Trading Academy by Scott Bauer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future reviews like this. And if you're interested in the digital rental method, go ahead and check out the link in the description below for a free training that explains the whole model in more detail. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.